Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the download location in Safari on your Mac. By default, Safari usually saves downloaded files to the Downloads folder. But if you want Safari to save files to your desktop, a custom folder, an external drive, or ask you every time before downloading, you can easily change that in Safari settings. This works on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, or any Mac using Safari. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Once Safari opens, go to the top left corner of your screen and click Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. On older macOS versions, this may be called Preferences. When the Settings window opens, make sure you are on the General tab. Now look for the option called File Download Location. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu. Here you can choose where Safari should save downloaded files. If you want Safari to save everything to the Downloads folder, choose Downloads. If you want Safari to ask you where to save each file before downloading, choose Ask for each download. This is useful if you download different types of files and want to organize them manually. If you want to choose a custom folder, click Other. Now a Finder window will open. Select the folder where you want Safari downloads to be saved. For example, you can choose the desktop, documents, or create a new folder specifically for Safari downloads. After selecting the folder, click Select or Choose. Now Safari will use that folder as the new download location. To test it, download any file from Safari. Once the download is complete, open the folder you selected and check if the file appears there. If it does, that means your Safari download location has been changed successfully. You can always come back to Safari settings later and change the location again, and that's how you change Safari download location on Mac. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions.